So our system is called SAM, for Semi-Automated Mason, and it's been developed by our company, Construction Robotics. The SAM system is working alongside masons, helping them install brick. It can handle a wide variety of bricks that are used out there in construction, primarily for veneer commercial construction. Most of your institutions, your school, are responsible for setting SAM up. They're still responsible for striking the joints and ensuring the best wall quality and using some of the knowledge and the skills that they have, but they don't have to have the physical demand on their body that they might previously. That can help even some of the older masons work alongside SAM and not have to lift and place every brick. And we're successful here, and we can bring robotics and automation in the industry. If we can help construction as a whole be more successful, that's really going to ultimately help the U.S. economy and even help jobs in the U.S. We can help provide a very interesting, dynamic aspect to the construction process where you're using robotics and construction at the same time, and you can really help attract young talent into the industry.